Sunflower oil is a fat that is extracted from the seeds of the sunflower plant. It is one of the most widely consumed vegetable oils in the world. Every year, millions of liters of sunflower oil is sold worldwide. But how is the oil extracted from sunflower seeds? The sunflower is native to North America and has been cultivated by native cultures for centuries. As the 19th century progressed, sunflower oil began to gain popularity as an edible oil in Europe. Throughout the 20th century, advancements in oil extraction technology, such as mechanical presses and refining processes, allowed for the production of higher quality and greater quantities of sunflower oil. The process of making sunflower oil begins with the seeds. During the growth of the plants, constant monitoring of seed development takes place. The farmer will observe the color and state of the flower heads to determine when they are ready for harvest. This involves checking that the seeds have reached their maximum size and that the petals have fallen off. The decision of when to harvest sunflower seeds is based on the maturity of the flower heads and seeds. The flower heads should display a brown color, and the seeds should be full and easily separated from the head. In addition to seed maturity, weather conditions also influence the timing of the harvest. Ideally, the harvest will take place on a sunny and dry day to avoid excessive moisture in the seeds and reduce the risk of head damage during the cutting process. After the flowers turn brown or black, a harvester collects and separates the seeds. The mechanical harvester cuts the sunflower heads and carries them through a series of cutting and separation systems. The flower heads are moved through conveyor belts and rotating drums that separate the seeds from the heads. Sunflower heads undergo a threshing process within the harvester. The rotating drums and vibrations help to detach the seeds from the heads. After separating the seeds from the heads, the sunflower seeds are emptied into trucks and delivered to the oil factory. Trucks carrying 22,000 kilograms of seeds arrive at the factory. For sorting purposes, quantities are recorded, and the delivery is documented to ensure traceability and seed quality. The seeds are unloaded into storage silos, where they are kept under controlled conditions of temperature and humidity, as it's important to avoid exposure to moisture and contamination. During this stage, the seeds undergo an initial cleaning process to remove larger impurities such as stones, soil, leaves, and other debris. This is done using cleaning equipment like sieves and air separators. A total of 25,000 tons of seeds are sorted each hour. If the seeds have a high moisture content, they may need to undergo an additional drying process to reduce their moisture levels to suitable levels for oil extraction. After cleaning and sorting, the seeds are stored in specific silos or containers until they are ready to move on to the next stage of the process. Cleaning and analyzing the seeds are essential to ensure that the produced oil is of good quality and meets industry standards. Next, the sunflower seeds go through a dehulling process. This stage is crucial for removing the outer shell. The dehulled seeds, known as kernels or grains, are the ones that will be processed to extract the oil. The kernels are cleaned again to eliminate any shell residue or impurities that may have remained after dehulling.